Dogecoin has been all the rage since its beginning. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and variances in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at 10 years? Peruse this video to know Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as indicated by our Dogecoin forecast 2023. The coin might have least and greatest costs of around $0.07418 individually. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our Dogecoin conjecture recommends that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of 39 cents, with a base cost of 25 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. According to our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of 82 cents, with a past filled with Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins, and the digital money market is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are formed to such an extent that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more congenial type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. Dogecoin's cost has massive potential. With the sort of notoriety rising, Dogecoin's presence is huge, contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Agreeable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Packing your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power and the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prominence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and firm worth winds around an air of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Minimum cost of 57 cents. In 2030. Dogecoin specialized examination. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital currency market, there is a fair future. Nonetheless, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost gauge comes into the image. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $11,520,330,919. And is currently the 8th greatest computerized cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08282 with an exchanging volume of $441,037,126. The ongoing inventory is at $139,097,276,384 Doge, while the complete circling supply is $139,097,276,384. The general digital currency market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its zenith, it denoted an enormous fall over the long haul. Nonetheless, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a good recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost penniless the prompt opposition with practically no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the pivotal obstruction of $0.099 and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange underneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers recommend that the image coin needs of purchasers help to start the positive excursion. Again, it all started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer feeling viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As per the investigation, Doge's cost will maintain in the event that the hypotheses work out as expected. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most mind-blowing crypto assets. Considering the ongoing business sector capitalization, It very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional digital forms of money, equipped for being utilized as a utilitarian cash as opposed to just as a speculative resource, as indicated by the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer. Dogecoin, Doge may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin, Doge cost to be around $0.00693 by long-term end. Conversely, the specialized examination and Dogecoin value expectation of computerized coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to 18 cents in 2023. Looking at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another record-breaking high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin, Doge, will reach $1.47 by 2030. Dogecoin forecast 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 18 cents, while the typical cost may be 13 cents, and the base cost may be $0.074 in light of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have found extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this year. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge value forecast and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In correlation, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Doge value expectation 2026 as indicated by the Dogecoin, Doge cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A huge meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost all through the year. Doge expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. In actuality, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin estimate 2028. Even in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin, Doge cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of 57 cents with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year